how are you? I have a challenge for you, okay? You're going to need a baggie of water and some sharpened pencils, okay? You're going to need a piece of paper to take your notes and make your predictions, because I want to know what you think. That if I was to take a sharpened pencil and stick it through the baggie of water, what will happen? Will it bust? Will it leak? What do you think? So take a second, jot down your prediction, and we're going to see. All right, guys, got your prediction? Here we go. I have 10 pencils in my hand. I have one baggie of water. Okay, you can see it this way. I am going to pierce the baggie. Pencil is all the way through. Did it do what you thought? Let's try another one. 2 pencils in. Nothing. Let's do a third pencil. 3 pencils. Were you all right? Were you wrong? Do you need to change your prediction? It goes 4. 4 pencils in. Makes you wonder, huh? Let's see. All the pencils are going that way. I'm going to go the opposite way just to see. No? I don't see any leaking. Let's do another one. I'm pretty sure if I popped the balloon, put a pencil through a balloon, it would have popped by now. Why is it not popping? Let's do some more. What do you think? I only have 3 pencils left. Now 2. Let's keep going. 1 more. I have stuck 10 pencils inside of this bag. Why do you think that it is not leaking? Was your prediction correct? Was your prediction wrong? How could we fix it? So I want you to take a second and think about what we did and see if you can do it. But on the other hand, I also want to challenge you to see how many pencils you can get inside the baggie without it leaking. Okay? When you see me, I want to hear it. I want to hear what you did in the description box, in the comment section below. I want to hear how yours went. Now, my daughter said, "Mom, you're cheating." No, I'm not. I promise. It's not an illusion. I'm going to show you. Ready? Because I'm going to take one out, and I promise you it will leak. It's not an illusion. There is real water in there. Okay? So go ahead and get a baggie, get outside, sharpen pencils, and see what you can come up with, and let me know how it worked. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.